Welcome back to Overheat. Bentley Motorhome 2026. Harmonious Proportions. The exterior design will prioritize elegance above functionality with harmonious proportions. Panoramic views will be available through large frameless windows. Materials of choice are for strength and efficiency. Carbon fiber and lightweight aluminum alloy will be used to construct the body, wheels and tires. Big 4-inch forged rims with the Bentley characteristic style. Perhaps equipped with a self-leveling function that maintains the emblem's upright position while driving. Silence and comfort will be provided by high-performance tires made especially for this large but nimble RV. Innovative features, automated entry, perhaps via fingerprint system. Interior, and matched sanctuary of luxury materials, leather, the best sustainably sourced leather, hand-stitched in Bentley's iconic diamond pattern or unique designs, will cover almost every surface. Living room, ergonomic sofas, and armchairs with heating, cooling, and massaging capabilities will be included. Gourmet Kitchen. The kitchen is an artistic creation in addition to being useful. Wood paneling will conceal built-in appliances from high-end manufacturers like Sub-Zero, Wolf, and Miele. The master bedroom features a king-size bed, silk sheets, and a bespoke mattress. Smart storage systems and built-in closets with internal lights. Drivetrain and Performance. Strong engine, despite its small size. This sophisticated twin-turbocharged V8 or W12 engine, maybe with plug-in hybrid technology, produces a lot of power and torque, guaranteeing a forceful and smooth ride. Adaptable suspension. The renowned Adaptable air suspension technology from Bentley, which enables incredibly precise ride height and dampening adjustments for optimal comfort on it. Range of surfaces. Features of advanced driving, adaptable drive modes and active rear steering for improved agility. 360-degree cameras, automated parking sensors, and advanced driver assistance systems. ADAS like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance.